Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the India Energy Week 2026, Day 2. I am Anchor Bharti Narang, and today we are at the BPCL stall. BPCL is shaping the future of our country. And what do you think about the sustainable energy future of India?
Well, I think India has a very important role to play in this. We are a growing population, we are a growing economy. So, of course, energy being pivotal to such a being such a critical industry to India, and sustainability that too is very important. And I think India is really taking all the right measures with all the PSUs that we've seen so far, introducing sustainability measures in all the steps of the value chain here to ensure that we are becoming as carbon neutral as much as possible.
Indeed, I think we all are working towards that future of our country where we have a cleaner and a brighter future. This question to you is, what inspires you to work in the energy sector?
I think like we have been here, we have seen so great initiatives that have been taken up by different companies, right? So all of this actually in the initiatives that have been taken up and all the installations that we have actually seen, all the initiatives, actually that inspires us as students to take up more steps towards a sustainable future.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
so much.
Thank you. It was lovely chatting with you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Archita here with us from IIT Patna. Archita, tell us about yourself. What are you studying?
Hello everyone. So actually, my name is Archita and I'm a third year BTech student in civil engineering from IIT Patna.
So, what do you think is the future of India when it comes to sustainable energy? And now that you've experienced BPCL stall, what motivates you to continue in this field?
Actually, I'm a very news kind of a girl. So whenever I used to read newspapers, I used to be very underconfident about India's future in sustainability because from everywhere we used to get negative news.
Do you see yourself pursuing a career in the field of energy?
Yeah, definitely. Like I had my graduation background in transportation technology, and I have also worked in a few projects, and I'm really excited for all this stuff, renewable energy and like clean mobility and green energy.
Nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best. Thank you.